Hi, this is Gomati from Arty Facets. Today I am making a flower vase, a wooden flower vase. It is very simple and no previous training is really required to learn this. You can just watch the video and learn how to make it. It's very simple. You can also teach your kids how to make it, and that will definitely keep them busy and out of the typical screen time that we all want them to stay away from. And before you go any further, please subscribe and share Artifacets. Thank you for your support so far. Keep watching Artifacets. So let's see how to make this flower vase. Let's go ahead. So I have these MDF cutouts from Kraftily Konnect. I'm just sticking these together to make a wooden vase. I'll leave the link to buy these in the description box. Stick it properly with Fevicol. Now I'm painting the entire vase with white chalk paint. Once done, let it dry completely. Cut the part of the decoupage tissue that you want on the vase. Cut it carefully and remove the extra tissue that is there behind, and stick it on the vase with deco glue. This I got it from Itsy Bitsy. You can also use Mod Podge instead. Stick it carefully on both sides of the vase. I've also taken another part from the tissue and cut it as per my choice, and just sticking it on the vase, on top of the vase. Since there is pink and gray on the tissue, I'm just trying to match the design around using the same colors. Also painting a bit on the tissue as well so that it looks more natural. So this is the final look, guys. Once it dries, this is how it looks like. I'll also put some flowers in it. Yeah. So this is the final look. Do you like it? Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. That's it in today's video, guys. I hope you've liked the video. And if you have liked it, once again, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for immediate updates. Keep watching Artifacets and thank you so much for all the support that you've given us so far. Thank you.